Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all are well. Yes, students. We already completed our 5 chapters. Lesson 1, 2, and 3, Lesson 12, and Lesson 17. So, in this week, we will revise these lessons. Okay, my dear students? Today, Lesson 1, Land of the World. Yes, what is land? Different features that make up the earth's surface are called a land. Now, let's understand all these categories such as mountain, plains, plateau, desert. Okay, what are mountain? Mountain and hills are rocky masses of land that rise higher than the surrounding. Okay, my dear students. And what are hills? Hills are smaller and lower. There is quite difference between both mountain and hills. Yes, mountains are high peaks and hills are small. So, my dear students, mountains are divided into 3 categories. First one is fold mountain, volcano mountain, and block mountain. Yes, students. Now, look at here. See the mountain. See these pictures. Mountain, hills, plain, desert, and plateau. Now, we will see about the plateau. A large area of land that is higher than the surrounding. The Deccan Plateau in South India is the example of plateau. Okay, students? Next, plain. Plain are flat lands with gentle slope, rivers flowing from the mountain, bringing fertile soil to the plain. So, crops grow well here. Okay? So, crops grow well here. Desert. Desert are large, extremely dry area of land. There is very little rainfall and very few plants grow in desert. Yes, students. Now, coast, peninsula, and base and island. A place where land met the sea is called a coast. Some coasts are sandy, others are rocky. The land is surrounded by water on 3 sides is called a peninsula. Sorry, students. Peninsula. Bay. What is now we will learn about what is bay. A land that is surrounded by the sea on the 3 sides is called a bay. What is island? An island is a land that's surrounded on all sides by the water. That is called island. All of you look at this. This is the picture of bay. And this is the picture of island. You can see water is surrounded all the sides all the sides, that is called a island. Now our next topic is river. Long streams of water are called a river. Many rivers start in the mountain from melting snow. Okay students, you can see in this picture rivers. There are tributaries and distributaries. What is tributary? Several small rivers join the main river is called a tributary. Okay, the river break up into channels, that is called a distributary. Yes student, these distributaries spread out like a triangle before falling into the sea. This is called a delta. You can watch this picture. You can see this picture. This is called a delta. Okay students. So the important landform of the world are mountain, plain, plateau and desert. A mountain is a rocky mass of land and rises higher than the surrounding. A plateau is a large area of land that is higher than the surrounding and more or less flat on the top. A plain is a flat land and gently slopes. Desert are large, extremely dry area of land. Yes, my dear students. Now you have seen coast, peninsula, bays and island are the other landform. A long stream of water that ultimately flow into the sea is called a river. Yes, student. What is tributary? Small river that join a main river is called a tributary. And distributary, the channels into which a main river break up, that is called a distributary. Delta, a triangle shaped landform formed by the river while flowing into the sea, that is called a delta. Okay students, you can see the picture of delta. Okay, if you look at your fill in the blanks, whatever I have filled in this book, that you have to write down in your book with pencil. And question answer you have to write with pen. Black gel pen for question and blue gel pen for answer. Yes students, write down properly. Yes students, all of you look at these answers. Students, all of you look at these answers. From the book you have to note down question and from this you have to write down the answer. After each line you have to leave one line and question should be with black gel pen and answer should be with blue gel pen. Write neat and clean students. All of you write down with neat and clean. Question from the book you have to write. Answers are here. First you write down the question. Number 1. What are landforms? Name the main landform of the earth. The different features that can be seen on the earth's surface are called landform. The main landform of the earth are mountains, valleys, rivers, passes, plateau, desert, plain, island, peninsula, and delta. The next question: what are fold mountain? Give an example. When two large land masses push against each other, fold mountain are formed. The Himalayas in Nepal, the Rockies in North America, and the Alps in Europe are example of fold mountain. Next question, third number. What is the difference between mountain and plateau? Mountain are steep slopes and high peaks. Plateau, on the other hand, are large areas of land that are higher than the surrounding but are more or less flat at the top. Next question, fourth. What is a peninsula? Give an example. A peninsula is a piece of land that projects into the sea and is surrounded by water on three sides. The southern part of India is a peninsula. Fifth number. Like this only you have to write fifth, sixth and seventh question answer. Question should be, again I am saying students, question should be with black pen and answer should be with blue gel pen. Yes student, fifth question, what is the difference between a perennial and a seasonal river? The answer: a perennial river has water throughout the year, but a non-perennial river has water only for some months of the year. During the summer, the non-perennial rivers dry up. Question number 6. What is the difference between a tributary and distributary? A tributary is a small river which join the main river. Distributary are the small rivers or channels that break away from the main river. Now next question is, what is a desert? Name some of the important desert of the world. Desert are areas which are hot and dry. There is very little rainfall and very few plants grow here. The Sahara Desert, the Kalahari Desert, the Atacama Desert and the Thar Desert are example of desert. Yes students, all have to write in fair copy these question answer. Leave each line. After writing one line, leave one line. And you have to write with nice handwriting, neat and clean. Thank you student.